So tell me guys, what does Independence Day mean to us?
Of course, it means a holiday. Sleep in a bed, come to school, sing the national anthem, and get the sweets at the end.
Oh Tanim, if we see it as a holiday, then we are missing the whole point. Think about how much blood and sacrifice went into giving us this day.
Reem is right. I sometimes wonder, are we really free? Can we really make our own history? Can we really speak our mind with a fear?
Exactly. Freedom does not mean the country is free. Real freedom is being able to speak freely, think freely, and being able to live with dignity.
True, even today many girls can't go to school freely. Some kids are scared to share their dreams.
And those of us who are lucky to have freedom must use it responsibly. Mobile phones, the internet, the freedom to speak, this should never be misused.
Freedom comes with both right and responsibility. Being good for staying aware, standing for truth. These are also signs of a true citizen.
So today, let's do more than just raise the flag. Let's take a pledge. We will stay honest, aware, and work for a better future for ourselves and others.
And yes, let's not forget to sweets. But now on, Independence Day will not just mean a break, it would be a day to awaken our spirit.